Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Just a moment. Let me just admit everyone. It's taking a bit long, yeah, now. I don't know why. From last 2 minutes, I am trying to admit. So I started admitting individually. All right, guys. I think I'll start. And those who are there in the waiting room and sending the request, okay, just tell them that ma'am will admit them in a while. कोई मैसेज डालेगा क्या व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में that anyone in the waiting room just wait for another 1 minute. I'll admit them. All right, guys. Yesterday, I think I started with the new answer that was ways to enter into international markets, and we have already completed 4 points. है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
4 or 5, I don't remember exactly. Let us see which all points we have covered. I hope the white screen is visible. Okay, it's loading. Yeah. First method क्या है students? Which is the first method of entering into international market? First way.
Joint venture.
Very nice. It's not typing. 1 minute. Huh? Yeah. So the first one is joint venture. Okay, wherein you can take help of your overseas partner. Okay, and your overseas partner will help you with the local market condition and will inform you about the cultural variation, will help you in the distribution, right? उसके बाद second method क्या था? Come on.
Franchising strategy.
Franchisee.
Yes, you can take up franchising. Okay, become a franchisor and get into the contract with the franchisee and transfer certain rights, which is manufacturing and management both. फिर इसके बाद third one क्या था? Come on.
One country production
One
base.
country production base.
Very nice. One country production base. What is happening here, students, in one country production base?
एक
Come
इंडिया
on.
में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग होगा एक ही कंट्री में.
Okay, very nice, Nasir. Manufacturing will be in the domestic country and sales will happen in the international market. Okay, why you are doing manufacturing in one country only? Because okay, of the local market conditions and locational advantages. You are getting cheap labor, you are getting raw materials at the lowest price. Okay, so you are taking the advantage of that. Okay, and the manufacturing unit is set up only in the one country, whereas distribution is done in the different countries. So that is one country production base. उसके बाद next method क्या है? Come on.
Production strategy.
Production sharing. Okay, what is production sharing, students? Develop country के technology को आप consolidate करते हो with the cheap labor from the developing nation. For example, programming हो गया, database, ये सारे sector में what is happening is, okay, IT sector in short, what is happening is technology of the advanced nation is combined, okay, with the cheap labor of the developing nation like Jamaica, Brazil, Philippines, India. यहाँ के लोग सस्ते में काम करने के लिए ready हैं, okay. They can speak English and internet and other intercommunication facilities are infrastructure facilities are good. Okay, so these reasons are enough for any developed nation, okay, to go ahead with production sharing. So developed country का technology and developing nation का cheap labor is combined, okay, and production sharing is happening. I think only these points were completed yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. So I'll share the screen and we can continue the answer. Just a moment. Okay, 8 people are in the waiting room. Let me just admit them. Reza. Come on time, guys. It's very difficult. I hope the screen is visible, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So we move on to the next one, which is greenfield of development. Just one. Enlarge it so that you can see. Okay. So we move on to the next one, which is greenfield development. Okay, who is going to read this? Anyone? Nasir, can read that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Greenfield development firms may be greenfield developed project. It involves setting up manufacturing plant and distribution system in other countries. It allows a firm more freedom in designing the plant, selecting its own workflows, and choosing right suppliers and dealers. This strategy has been followed by many firms such as Honda, Toyota, Nissan, etc.
Okay, so this greenfield development is the opposite of one country production base. One country production base में क्या हो रहा था students? The production is happening in one country and distribution is happening in several countries. Okay, but in greenfield operation, students, you are setting up the manufacturing and distribution in the other countries also. Okay, I think Toyota, Honda, Nissan, these are some well-known firms which have been following greenfield operation. Okay, what they do is they set up a manufacturing plant also in the host country, okay, in the importing country. All right, so for example, my manufacturing plant is in India also, manufacturing plant is in US also, it is in Japan also, it is in Russia also. So manufacturing is happening in that country, okay, as well as the distribution is happening it's in that country. Okay, so the company is having I think this type of organizations or firms which are having its manufacturing unit in different countries seems to be a very large organization. Okay, because they are capable of setting up the manufacturing plant in the other countries. Okay, so greenfield development opposite of one country production base. I hope you will remember this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, moving on to the turnkey operations. All right. Okay,
Turnkey
Nasir.
operations, they are contract for the constructions of operating facilities in exchange for a free. The facilities are transferred to the host country or a firm when they are completed. The client is usually a government agency that requires a particular product to be a product locally under its control. MNCs that performs turnkey operations and industrial equipment manufacturers that supplies some of their own equipment for the project and also sell replacement parts and maintenance service to the host country.
Now listen to this very carefully. Turnkey operations. Okay, now what is happening over here? Okay, the host country has given me some order. Okay, and or consignment. कोई machine का equipment या spare part बनाने के लिए बोला है. Okay, generally these are the government agencies which that require particular product to be produced locally only. I'll just share the white screen and I'll try to explain you with the help of that. So now what is happening is, for example, US is doing this for India. Okay, for example, US is doing, the host country is India. So अब US क्या करेगा turnkey operations में? 1 minute. It's typing, students. No, it's not typing.
Hello, ma'am.
हाँ, अभी type हो रहा. Okay, all right. So what is happening here is, okay, India ने ना consignment दिया है US को, okay, and is wanting US to make some, or let us take it the other way around. We are now performers, so let us be exporters. So we have, US has given us some consignment, okay, and we are making the equipments and spare part, okay, that is called as the operating facility. Okay, simple language में US का कोई, why is it not typing, guys? I don't understand. All right. In simple language, students, US ने हमें जो order दिया है, okay, they are making some machine, okay, just 1 minute. They are making some machine, और उस machine का operating facility, okay, I'll just write it over here. Operating facility, okay, उसका operating facility कौन बना रहा है students? India बना रहा है, okay. US is making some machine, okay, और उसको operating facility कौन बना के दे रहा है? India बना रहा है, okay. So for example, उस बहुत बड़े machine को operate करने वाला facility, उसका engineering part या फिर उसका operating part, okay, who is making it? India is making it, okay. And then once it is done, okay, that operating facility is done, that will be exported to US on completion of the you know, जब वो facility बन जाएगा, it will be transferred to US, okay. Not only this, okay, along with the operating facility, you are also sending them equipments, spare parts, okay, उनको services अगर लगेगा, क्योंकि आपने operating facility बनाया है ना, वो machine को चलाने के लिए, okay, तो उसके अंदर जो ऑपरेटिंग, उसके बदले में इंडिया को फीस मिल रहा है ना, तो उस मशीन को चलाने के लिए जो ऑपरेटिंग फैसिलिटी आपने बनाया है, ओके, अभी उसमें अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम आता है, टेक्निकल इश्यूज आता है, तो वो क्या वो यूएस उसको फिक्स कर पाएगा?
नो मैम।
No, ma'am.
बनाया किसने है? वो इंडिया ने, राइट. सो ओनली इंडिया कैन डू दैट फिक्सेशन ऑफ द टेक्निकल इश्यूज. So India is preparing the operating facility and transferring it to US. Okay. Along with the operating facility, India might also send its equipments and spare parts. Okay. Other than that, okay, India is also going to do the services. Okay. In case there is any failure in the operating facility, India is also going to do the services. I don't know why this whiteboard is not working today. Okay, India is also going to give the services. All right. I hope easy to understand turnkey operations. What is happening over here, students? The entire work is not coming to India. Okay. The machine is made in US only. The entire structure is made in US. हो सकता है कंस्ट्रक्शन है, कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क है, उसका वो कंस्ट्रक्शन वहां पे ही हो सकता है. इट कैन नॉट बी मेड इन इंडिया. ओके, इंडिया में बन के वहां पे ट्रांसफर नहीं हो सकता है, तो उसका मेन कंस्ट्रक्शन इज हैपनिंग इन यूएस ओनली. ऑलराइट, लेकिन उसका ऑपरेटिंग फैसिलिटी हु इज डूइंग इट? इंडिया इज डूइंग इट. सो अलोंग विद द ऑपरेटिंग फैसिलिटी, इंडिया इज also sending across the equipments and spare parts and components which are required. In case of failures or any you know, disturbances in the technical or any technical issues in the operating facility, it will be fixed by India only. If you remember, I gave you example last year. In the last year when I was teaching you, I gave you an example of Burj Khalifa, if you remember. Are you able to recollect that? The tallest tower in Dubai, Burj Khalifa.
यस मैम।
आपको मैंने बताया था ना ये एग्जाम्पल, उसका मेंटेनेंस इंजीनियरिंग कौन हैंडल कर रहा है स्टूडेंट्स?
नहीं मैम,
नहीं बताया था. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay, all right. Very quickly, in short, I'll just tell you. Burj Khalifa, which is the tallest tower in Dubai. I hope you at least know this. It's one of the tallest tower in Dubai. So, स्टूडेंट्स, एक इरेक्ट बिल्डिंग को, मतलब एक सिंपल सी बिल्डिंग को बनाना इतना मुश्किल होता है, राइट? एंड बुर्ज खलीफा इज अ टावर व्हिच रोटेट्स एट द अर्थ स्पीड. ओके, तो वैसे टावर को मेंटेनेंस इंजीनियरिंग प्रोवाइड करना इट्स नॉट इजी. So quotations were invited from many countries and India ने भी quotation भेजा था. इंडिया में टाटा ने यहाँ से कोटेशन भेजा था. अब टाटा के पास है ना दो ऑप्शंस थे. ओके, तो रतन टाटा के पास दो ऑप्शंस थे. ओके, ही थॉट ऑफ sending high quotation and getting the order and making lot of money. एंड सेकेंड ऑप्शन क्या था, send a quotation reasonable, get the opportunity, show that India can do the best job, okay, and get employment opportunities for Indian people. So what did he do is he kept a very reasonable quotation, maintenance engineering का मतलब वो पूरा वो जो बुर्ज खलीफा का टावर है ना उसके अंदर का पूरा मेंटेनेंस इंजीनियरिंग is उसका पूरा देखरेख टाटा कंपनी is doing it. So what happened that time, when the quotation was sent to that country for this particular maintenance engineering work, तो उसमें ना रतन टाटा ने बहुत reasonable quotation रखा, but he mentioned few clauses, one of which was that you know ये जो laborer होंगे ना ये maintenance engineering के वो Indians होने चाहिए, because he stated that मुझे ना उनको training यहाँ से provide करके भेजना है. Okay, so he mentioned that clause. And by the way, I feel very proud that you know एक दुबई जैसी कंट्री में सबसे tallest tower का maintenance engineering work is taken care by an entrepreneur from India. So this contract was given to Ratan Tata, and we are doing it excellent. And we means Ratan Tata's company is doing it excellent. Okay, and also Indians are getting labor section workers are also getting job opportunities. Okay, so this is how you know ये एक classic example है one of the turnkey operations की अगर बात की जाए. कंस्ट्रक्शन दूसरे कंट्री में हुआ है लेकिन उसका ऑपरेटिंग फैसिलिटी जो है वो हम प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. ओके, तो जब हम प्रोवाइड करते हैं ऑपरेटिंग फैसिलिटी तो इक्विपमेंट्स, कंपोनेंट्स, स्पेयर पार्ट्स जो भी लगता है ना वी आर ओनली प्रोवाइडिंग इट. ओके, also if there is any technical issues and we are only giving the services. All right, I hope you understood the concept of turnkey operation.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, उसी से related है BOT concept. Okay, it's a little more interesting BOT concept, just like turnkey operation. लेकिन मैं ना पूरा फैसिलिटी ट्रांसफर करने के पहले उसको थोड़ा यूज कर रही हूँ. लेट अस सी हाउ इट इज एक्सप्लेन्ड इन द टेक्स्ट बुक. विल फर्स्ट रीड दैट. ओके,
BOT concept, the build, operate, transfer concept, is a version of the turnkey operations. Instead of tumbling the facility over the host country when completed, when completed, the company operates the facility for a fixed period of a time during which it earns back its investment plus profit. It turns the project over the agency to the host country at an agreed cost or no cost.
okay, now listen to this very carefully. Agreed cost or no cost पे ध्यान देना. हाँ, now what is happening is, let me share the whiteboard first. Yeah, अभी यहाँ पे ना मुझे फैसिलिटी का ऑर्डर आया है. अच्छा, वो फैसिलिटी को बनाने के लिए मुझे पैसे लगेगा, यस और नो? तो what US is doing, it is giving me money, it is giving me capital. ओके, तो मेरे को पैसा आ गया. पैसा आने के बाद में मैं वो ऑपरेटिंग फैसिलिटी यहाँ पे बना रही हूँ. ओके, अभी मैं वो बन जाने बाद इंस्टेड ऑफ ट्रांसफरिंग इट टू US, ओके, डायरेक्टली, what I do is I use that facility for some time. Okay, जहाँ पे मेरे को ना मेरा इन्वेस्टमेंट और मेरा प्रॉफिट मतलब मेरा मुनाफा निकल जाए. Okay, so what I do is I am using that facility for some time before transferring it to US. Okay, तो अभी मैं क्या, मेरे को US ने पैसा दिया है ना वो बनाने के लिए. US has already extended capital help to me. तो शायद मैं जब वो फैसिलिटी यूएस को वापस ट्रांसफर करूंगी, आई माइट आस्क फॉर नो कॉस्ट. ओके, मतलब मैं यूएस से पैसा नहीं लूंगी क्योंकि ऑलरेडी मुझे कैपिटल टू ऑपरेट और टू बिल्ड दैट फैसिलिटी वाज ऑलरेडी गिवन टू मी बाय यूएस. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. वेरी सिंपल स्टूडेंट्स.
Yes, ma'am.
जस्ट अ लिटिल वेरिएशन ऑफ टर्नकी. टर्नकी में क्या हो रहा है, हम ऑपरेटिंग फैसिलिटी बनाते हैं और ट्रांसफर करते हैं. और बीओटी में क्या होता है, वी आर मेकिंग दैट फैसिलिटी, वी आर यूजिंग दैट फैसिलिटी. ओके, जस्ट गिव यू अ सिंपल एग्जांपल. महक इज फ्रॉम यूएस and she has given me the order of making this operating facility. So what I do is, okay, after I make this facility, I'm not immediately sending to Mehak. Okay, अच्छा, महक ने ऑर्डर के साथ साथ पैसा भी दिया होगा ना, फ्री में थोड़ी ना वो कराएंगे मेरे से, यस और नो? right? So for example,
Yes, ma'am.
Mehak has given me 100 crores, okay, to make that operating facility. She gave me that 100 crores. I made that operating facility over here from that 100 crores, okay, and now I am going to use it for some time. Okay, मैं कुछ time के लिए उसको use करूंगी, maybe for 6 months or 1 year, like that, and I will make lot of money. Okay, I'm going to make profit. Okay, I'm going to make money. After that, I'm going to transfer this facility to Mehak. Okay, at an agreed cost or maybe even at no cost. Okay, because उस facility को build करने के लिए जो capital लगा था वो महक ने ही provide किया था, right? So I might not take any money from Mehak. Once it is prepared, I will transfer it to Mehak. Okay, but when I'm keeping it here, अच्छा मेरे को फायदा क्या है इसमें? मुझे दो फायदा है. मुझे जो कैपिटल रिक्वायरमेंट था वो महक से मिल गया. सेकंड, मेरे को उसको यूज करके मुनाफा बनाने मिल गया. अब मैंने लॉट ऑफ मनी ऑलरेडी बना लिया है, राइट? नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू ट्रांसफर दैट फैसिलिटी टू महक. That is called as build, operate, and transfer. You build the facility, you operate it, you make profit, and then you transfer it to the host country. I hope simple to understand, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this is
Yes, ma'am.
all right. So I stop the screen share here, and I think we have wisely completed some of the interesting strategies of how do I enter into international markets. Okay, there are few more in the textbook, one or two more, which is the image I have not taken, but I'll just discuss it here. One of which is multi-country strategy. अच्छा, acquisition नहीं हुआ है, मेरे को एक बार acquisition share कर लेने दो. It is on the same because that's a new concept. Maybe you might have not. ये देखो, acquisition नहीं complete हुआ था ना कल?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, we will just take acquisition. All right, Nasir, can you please read that? Okay, if Mehak can read, it's anyone from the session. Let's not waste time.
Yes, ma'am. Acquisition. It involves purchasing another company already operating in a foreign country market where the firms want to enter. Synergetic benefits can result if the firm acquires a unit with strong goodwill and a good distribution network. Research indicates that a wholly owned subsidiary is more successful in international market as compared to joint ventures. However, proper information must be obtained before acquiring a foreign firm.
Let us compare acquisition with joint venture first. In joint venture, student, what is happening? I, along with my overseas partner, for example, Mehak is my overseas partner, so हम दोनों साथ मिलके काम कर रहे हैं. अभी यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम क्या है? रिस्क तो शेयर हो रहा है, इट इज अ बेनिफिट, रिस्क शेयर हो रहा है, बट उसके साथ साथ प्रॉफिट भी तो शेयर करना पड़ेगा ना? यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah, she is my partner. I have to share the profit. Joint venture means what? Two entities are coming together, right? Two different entities are coming together for a project. Definitely, I have the benefits that, less risky. Mehak is going to help me with capital if required. Mehak is going to help me in distribution. Mehak will give me details about the local market condition, cultural variation. बहुत कुछ है, बहुत मदद मिल रही है फॉरेन पार्टनर से. मगर इतने मदद के बदले मुझे एक बहुत मोटा हिस्सा मुनाफे का, a large portion of the profit I have to share with Mehak. Okay. So this is a disadvantage, right? The acquisition में क्या है? Instead of purchasing or instead of getting into joint venture, acquisition में क्या है? You are purchasing a wholly owned subsidiary firm which is already there in that market. For example, महक की firm को ही मैं purchase कर रही हूँ. Instead of partnering with Mehak, I am purchasing the firm only. Okay, so but then I have to be very sure that the firm is having a strong goodwill and strong distribution network in that country. कि मैं यूएस में एंटर करना चाहती हूँ, मैं महक के फर्म को एक अच्छा प्राइस देके परचेस करूंगी. However, I have to be very much sure that that firm, okay, is having a strong goodwill and is having a good distribution network. Okay, because if I am acquiring a firm, okay, which is having a lot of liabilities, okay, which is not having a good image in the market, और मैंने without research, without background study किए उस wholly owned subsidiary firm को purchase कर लिया, तो उस firm का सारा liabilities मुझे transfer हो जाएगा. Correct? So I have to be very careful. Okay, proper information must be obtained. Okay, proper research must be done. All right, and then only you acquire that firm. Okay. Synergetic benefits यानी क्या? Combined benefits. क्या बेनिफिट है अगर आप एक होली ओन सब्सिडरी फर्म को परचेस करते हो तो मुनाफा थोड़ी ना किसी के साथ शेयर करना पड़ेगा, है ना. आप पूरा का पूरा प्रॉफिट खुद ही रखोगे, खुद ही पॉकेट अप करोगे. You don't have to share the profit with anyone else. In case of joint venture, you have to share the profit with your overseas partner. In case of acquisition, you are an acquirer. Okay, आप एक acquire कर रहे हो firm को, okay? पूरा का पूरा firm purchase कर रहे हो, right? The textbook is stating that research indicates कि अगर आप एक firm को purchase करते हो, वो ज़्यादा successful होगा international markets में rather than entering into joint venture. I hope acquisition is also very simple, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sure, easy to understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I have to take the image of the other two remaining points. I'll just discuss. In case आपको नहीं समझ में आया तो आप मेरे को बोलना, then I'll share the image. One of which is multi-country strategy. Multi-country strategy में क्या होता है? Firm is, adopting low-cost strategy in some country and high-cost strategy in developed countries. बड़े-बड़े जो developed countries है वहां पे मैं कॉस्ट हाई रखती हूँ, क्वालिटी अच्छा रखती हूँ, और डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज जो है वहां पे मैं कॉस्ट लो रखती हूँ और क्वालिटी इतनी हाई नहीं रखती. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन आई एम एक्सपोर्टिंग टू यूएस, ओके, और व्हेन आई एम एक्सपोर्टिंग टू रशिया, मैं क्या करती हूँ, क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी रखती हूँ और कॉस्ट भी हाई रखती हूँ. डेवलप नेशन है यार, वो रेडी होंगे पे करने के लिए, राइट? बट मैं वही चीज जब चाइना को एक्सपोर्ट करती हूँ तो मैं उतना कॉस्टिंग नहीं रखती और थोड़ा सा क्वालिटी में भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज करती हूँ. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज मल्टी कंट्री स्ट्रैटेजी. मल्टी कंट्री स्ट्रैटेजी में क्या हो रहा है? मार्केटिंग एंड प्रोडक्शन डिफर्स फ्रॉम कंट्री टू कंट्री. ओके, वेरी सिंपल टू अंडरस्टैंड, स्टूडेंट्स.
Yes, ma'am.
ऑल राइट. और उसी का ऑपोजिट है ग्लोबल स्ट्रैटेजी. व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन ग्लोबल स्ट्रैटेजी? कंट्री चाहे डेवलप रहने दो या फिर डेवलपिंग रहने दो, द प्राइस ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट इज सेम इन ऑल द कंट्री. ओके, चाहे वो चाइना में मैं बेचूं, चाहे मैं वो यूएस में बेचूं. मर्सिडीज बेंज इज डूइंग दिस. ओके, दे सेल देयर प्रीमियम कार इन द सेम प्राइस टू ऑल द कंट्री. Okay, whether it is developing or whether it is developed. If the customer is ready to purchase, I will export to the developing nation also. If the customer is not ready to purchase, I'll not export. But my price is same to that I'm offering to all the nation, whether it is developed or whether it is developing. So that is global strategy. I'll just write here in the whiteboard. Please remember this two, one which I did not share the image of the answer, but आप याद रखना. Okay, very quickly time up होगा उसके पहले. We have seen joint venture, franchising, one country production base, production sharing. फिर उसके बाद क्या था next, students? Come on, point number 4 क्या था? Greenfield. Come on.
Greenfield development.
Yes. Greenfield development. पूरा नहीं लिख रही, आप समझ जाना. Okay, next क्या था उसके बाद? Come on.
Turnkey operations.
Turnkey operations. There's some problem in the whiteboard today. Okay, उसके बाद क्या था next? BOT concept. Okay, BOT में क्या हो रहा है students? Come on. What is happening in BOT? Build, operate and transfer. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. फिर 7th one जो हमने किया था वो है
Acquisition.
Yes. एक second. कहाँ चला गया? अच्छा, I'll type here. Acquisition. Okay. फिर 8th one हमने जो किया वो था multi. It's not typing, no students. Yeah. It is multi-country strategy. और लास्ट वन क्या था स्टूडेंट? ग्लोबल स्ट्रैटेजी.
ग्लोबल स्ट्रेटेजी.
ओके, आपको याद रहेगा अभी ये आंसर?
यस मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. So today we have discussed 4, 5, 6, 7 types of strategies. One is greenfield development, opposite of one country production based, जहाँ पे हम क्या कर रहे हैं कि greenfield development में manufacturing as well as distribution is happening in several countries. Okay, मतलब manufacturing plant भी host country में ही हम set up कर रहे हैं. Next is turnkey operations, where I am ready to transfer the operating facility to the host country along with equipment, spare parts, components, and services. Build, operate, and transfer is opposite of turnkey operation, not opposite, a little variation. I'm using also before transferring. Okay, and then next one is acquisition. What is happening in acquisition? I am purchasing the wholly owned subsidiary firm of the foreign country. उसके बाद हमने मल्टी कंट्री स्ट्रैटेजी देखा. वहां पे हम क्या करते हैं? प्रोडक्शन as well as marketing differs from country to country depending upon the economic conditions of that country, whether it is developing or if it is developed. And opposite to that is global strategy, wherein सारी countries में same pricing रहेगा irrespective of whether the nation is developed or if it is developing. Any difficulty here, students?
No ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No ma'am.
I hope I was not very fast, but now students, I have to take up a little faster pace because the syllabus is very vast. Okay, and हम लोग एक ही आंसर 3 दिन तक कर रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. We have to now start going a little fast. Actually मेरा recap में बहुत टाइम चला जाता है, तो recap में आप लोग अगर respond करेंगे तो वो जल्दी जल्दी हो जाएगा. Alright guys, I stop here and I see you soon in the next class. You all take care of yourself and have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
You
Take
too
care.
ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Welcome. Bye bye.
Bye bye.